What up YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate it. Today I have for you one of the things that I got from the Ulta sale. They're having a 25 days of beauty sale during this Christmas holiday. I haven't picked up many things because I spent all my money on Christmas already. But this was a great deal I got for $24.50 from Buxom. I love Buxom lip glosses. And I don't really know what this is for. I'm kind of guessing, it's called an eye veil. I'm kind of guessing that you put it on your eye. I'm not going to be doing that, because I don't understand that unless it's like for a costume party or something. But I think I might like to put those somewhere, like on a mirror, or maybe on my rear view mirror, or maybe on the back of my car. It would look super fancy. I don't know. But I am going to go through. This has 8 lip glosses and 4 lip liners. I'm going to go through and swatch all of them for you so that you can see what you can get in here. I'm sure this will be available through the holiday season, and if you love Buxom, like I love Buxom, they're my holy grail lip liners for sure, and I also really enjoy the lip glosses. So I'm going to tell you what's on them. There are mini full-on plumping lip creams. There are mini full-on plumping lip polishes, and there are mini plump line lip liners. And the colors of the plumping lip creams are Hot Toddy, Berry Bramble, Mudslide, and Cherry Flip. The mini full-on plumping lip polishes are in Jasmine, Stacy, Kayla, and Claire. And the mini plump line lip liners are Undercover, Scandalous, Dolly Danger, and Infrared. Some of these I have, some of them I don't, but Dolly Danger is my absolute favorite, and so I'm happy to have a little mini of that for me to carry in my purse. Alright, I'm going to start off with the lip liners. The first one is called Undercover. I'm not even going to attempt to describe these to you because I know myself, and I'll call everything pinky nude, amber, whatever. This actually looks like a darker version of the one that I have that's called Hush Hush. It's a spicy color. How about that? So you look at Undercover, a spicy color. Next is Scandalous. Ooh, this will be good for candy colored pinks or fuchsia colored pinks. That one is Scandalous. Makes me think of that, I want to say Drew Hill, but I know it's not Drew Hill. It's just the guy that I can't remember his name. Cisco. Cisco. That song, na so Scandalous. Anyway, enough of that. Scandalous is the second lip liner. Next, I know I don't have this one. This will be awesome for the summer oranges. This one is called Infrared. Ooh, it is a very red toned orange, which is the color of orange I like to wear when I do wear orange on my lips, which is very infrequently. But let me tell you how it's very difficult to find a lip liner that matches those things, and you guys know I'm a die-hard lip liner person. And this is my favorite ride or die, matches every pinky nude that I own, Dolly Danger. I have had this for like 2 years. I still haven't used even half of it. Now I have a backup. This is perfect pinky nude. Has a little bit of a lavender undertone. It's perfection for any pinky nude or rosy lipstick, gloss, whatever. And so I love the combination of lip liners and lip glosses on top. Just for the color, and then to have some moisture. I love that. Okay, we're gonna start off with the full-on plumping lip creams. And if you guys know anything about the Buxom lip glosses or lip products, they have a minty feel, a plumping sensation, not uncomfortable, actually very pleasant in the summer. Whenever it's really warm outside, it feels nice to have something cooling. So we're gonna start with Hot Toddy. This reminds me of my friend Marlo Keenan. I'll link her up there because she loves to drink Hottie Toddies, especially this time of year. We'll go up here with it. A nice pinky nude. I don't know how well it's gonna show. I'm trying to build it up a bit. There you go, a nice pinky nude, a Hot Toddy. Hottie Toddy? Hot Toddy. I love that color. That will go with a lot of what I already have if I can get it out of my mouth. All right, next is Berry Bramble. This is beautiful. And Berry Bramble will go with lots of berry colored lippies. I think that would look beautiful. I'm already seeing some combinations. If you look right there, that's the Berry Bramble. But if you look at how pretty it would be with the Scandalous, and if you look at the Hot Toddy and see how pretty it would look with whatever the first one is called that I can't remember, that would look beautiful with Undercover. So obviously they coordinated these with things that will look good with them. Next is Mudslide. These are nice size for your purse. If you wanted to get this and split these up and give a whole bunch of people some stocking stuffers. This one is Mudslide. This also makes me think of my friend Marlo because she loves a Gerard lippy called Mudslide. And I think that would look really pretty with Dolly Danger. And then finally, and this one's gonna look good with Infrared. I think they match these up perfectly. The last one of the lip creams is called Cherry Flip. And I actually have this in the full size and it's beautiful. And it is it does have a little bit of an orange undertone with it. And so I think it would go okay. It doesn't, now that I look here, it doesn't look perfection as far as going with the Infrared. But if you wanted to put it underneath, I think it would kind of pink up the orange a little bit. If you weren't into having a bright orange lip, which most people aren't, and ordinarily I'm not, but there are some warm summer looks that I like to pair an orange lip with. And now we're going on to the Mini Full-On Plumping Lip Polish. These are super interesting and I'm excited to see how they look when I swatch them. The first one that I'm looking at is called Jasmine. And it is a dark burgundy, but it looks like it has a gold reflect in it. Hopefully it will show when I swatch it. This is pretty. I don't have anything like this at all. Oh, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. I hope you can see the gold shift. It's gorgeous. Oh, beautiful. I would love to have a dark vampy lip liner with that over it for a holiday look. Next is the shade Stacy, and this is kind of a fuchsia with a light pink reflect in it. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Ooh. A lot of these will go with the lip liners too. I took the lip liners off, but I mean, just looking at this, you'll be able to see what goes with what. But it's a pretty, pretty fuchsia, and it has a hot pink glitter or shimmer in it. It's not chunky. It's very much a shimmer and not a glitter. But it's got a gold and light pink reflect in it and a hot pink reflect. It's got lots of different things going on in that one. I like that. I like all of these, you guys. I really do. That's why I wanted this. Next is Kayla. And this is just a baby pink, a bumble. And this is just a bubblegum pink, a baby pink. And it's just going to give a hint of color. It does have a reflect, kind of a silvery reflect in it. A nice shift. I think the lights are actually helping to show the shifts of these. But this is beautiful. This would be beautiful on its own, just as a nice wash of color over your lips. And the last one is called Claire, and it's just a little bit of a deeper color of pink, more of a mauvey rosy pink, and it also has a silver or a light pink reflect in it. Out of all these, I think this one is my favorite. It's the shimmeriest of them all, and it's pretty. Oh, that's my favorite. Pair that up with Dolly Danger, forget about it. Forget about it. Perfection. Okay, out of all these, you guys know I am so about Dolly Danger, but I also love this one. Out of the lip polishes, I really like this burgundy one and the last one that's like a rosy pink. Out of the lip creams, I really love the first one and the last one. The others are very interesting, and I'm super happy to have all of them. And I think I will get a lot of use out of these. I'm excited about it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Maybe I'll let you know if I ever figure it out. But for now, it looks pretty in the packaging. And like I said, I think this would be a great gift for somebody that you know loves Buxom products. It's also a great gift for a teenager who's just getting started with makeup, because these are all kind of unassuming. They're not gonna make too much of a lip statement like this. And also it would be an incredible thing to get to go ahead and split up and use for stocking stuffers. So that's the reason why I wanted to bring it to you. I hope you enjoyed hearing about this. I'm extremely happy to have it. Check it out. It's at Ulta. I'll link it down below for you if it's still available. I think it probably will be through the holiday season. It may not be as discounted as I got it, but I'm still very happy to have it, and I think it would be a really good present for anybody who's a beauty enthusiast or just getting into makeup. So I hope this swatch video was helpful for you. I know you'll be seeing some of these in some upcoming videos. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys.